Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to write the code for the WebView and WebView activity. So, in previous video, we have discussed like how we can pass the URL from the one screen to the another screen. So, by using the intent, we are going to pass this URL here, and we can also execute. In this video, we are also going to execute our project here, so that we can demonstrate all the descriptions here. So let's write the code for the XML code for this WebView thing. So let's move. So as you can see, okay. So we are using the constraint layout here. So we have to just choose a WebView here. So what is WebView? This is the WebView, and we are just using the match parent and the match parent thing. Okay. So we need to constrain to the parent. All the constraint to the parent here. Okay. So everything is done here. So yeah, so we have all added all the constraint for the parents to parent. Okay, so we are going to use this web view activity. So and also we need to use the permission first of all, like we are going to access it from the internet, so we have to use the permission here. So this is the thing, and then after we have to write the logic for the web view. Okay. So what we have to do first of all, like in this we have to, in onCreate method, we have to create the variable for the WebView. Okay, so we also need to give the ID here. So ID is WebView. Okay, so then after we have to write the logic here. Val web. Okay, so we have to initialize it here. Dot ID dot web. Okay, and then after we also set a client for it. So WebView dot WebView client. So we need to declare here is the what type of thing is here. So this is the WebView. Okay, so we are importing it here, and then after we have to use the WebView client. WebView client. Okay, so we also need to pass here is the object of WebView client. Okay, so here we are passing it, and then after we are getting this URL from the next screen. So how we can get created by using a variable here, which is known as the URL. Okay, in this URL we are just getting it, so we are using intent here, intent dot get string extra, get string extra. In this we have to pass our URL key, URL underscore key. Okay, and then we have to use this URL and in our web page. So if the URL is not is null, so URL, so we have to use the else operator here. Sorry, we have to use this else operator dot left. Okay, so in this we have to use the webview dot load URL. So webview dot load URL. Okay, and we are going to pass it here. Okay, so in this you are getting this string from the URL, and you are just passing it here. Okay, so once just everything is done, we have to execute our application here. So let's connect our phone by using the Wi-Fi. So by using this Wi-Fi pair, we are executing it here. Okay, so this device is connected by our simulator. So let's click on the run. Okay, so launching on my device here. So once the devices get connected, you can see we have the first screen here. So once we click on this open URL, so this is showing an error message here. please enter the valid URL. Okay, so then we have to paste some URL here, like just see, like we are opening a portal call as the Geeks for Geek. Okay, so this is the URL for this Geeks for Geek, and then we have to click on the open URL button. So you can see our link is getting opened. Okay, so if we just need to use google.com, so we also use this URL as well. So let's clear this and open the google.com. So you can see our Google screen is also opening here. So that's all about this in this part. So thank you everyone for being with us. So if you have any idea like this, so you can also connect with us, and we are always here to discuss with us. So thank you everyone. Bye bye.